Do you want to know how you can log into your Qlip AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Qlip AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Qlip AI. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Qlip. What you need to do right now is write down your email address in this box over here, which is compulsory and is stated by a star over here. Now go ahead and write down the email address, write down your password associated with your account, and then click connect. This way you can sign in to your Qlip account or your Qlip account. You can hide and hide the password by clicking on this eye icon, and if in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. Write down your email address here, click send password resend email, and then Qlip will send you an email to recover your password. So all you need to do is go to sign in, write down your email address and password, click connect, and then you will be signed into your Qlip AI account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.